The advantages of the coarseAIR flotation machine is that it allows our customers the opportunity to increase the grind size going to flotation. The technology is capable of recovering coarse particles that are normally lost with conventional flotation techniques. And consequently, what happens is that you have a situation where operators will grind very fine to ensure that you don't have any losses in the coarse fraction, which in turn results in overproduction of fines and excess use of energy in producing the finer grind. The coarseAIR now allows you to optimize the energy input and really get the grind size for flotation set to a point that's optimal in terms of energy consumption. The advantage of the RFC in flotation is twofold. Firstly, the technology is a high capacity technology, which allows us to reduce the total flotation volume required. But on top of that, the technology is extremely efficient flotation technology, which allows us to really shift the grade recovery curve, ensuring that we get high grade and high recovery at the same time. And this in turn allows for more efficient use of the resource and reduced utility consumptions, which all work towards optimized and efficient processing in flotation. The benefits of separating the coarse from the fine and treating the fine with the RFC allows us to really have circuit configuration opportunities. Because the technology allows for a shift in the grade recovery curve, we are able to produce very high grade product from this fine material. Ordinarily, this material would have to go to stages of cleaning. However, the RFC affords the opportunity for this fine material to be upgraded to saleable quality without the need to go to cleaner stages. The VXP used to regrind the coarseAIR concentrate is essential because we are producing particles that are very coarse, that contain mineral content, but may not necessarily achieve the grade that you would require to produce a saleable concentrate. And because these particles are so coarse, we'd have to regrind them to liberate the mineral that's present. The VXP is very well suited to this application and really targets a grind size which for downstream processing will allow us to once again be more efficient in terms of energy input and particle size that will produce the correct grade without overgrinding and producing ultrafines. Knowledge of the mineralogy and liberation size is quite critical in coarse particle flotation. This allows you to know what your top size would be that you can grind to. And this in turn allows the operator to optimize the front end milling to allow for the maximum particle size, thereby again optimizing the energy input to produce a grind size that is suitable for the ore body. We've found that in some instances finer grinding may be required due to the mineralogy, and other applications allow for coarser grind, and this really dictates the flow sheet and how we do this mass splits from material going to the RFC and the mass split on material going to the coarseAIR. The coarseAIR and RFC can absolutely be used in other circuit configurations. Specifically, the RFC is very versatile and can be applied in almost any part of a traditional flow sheet, specifically looking at scavenging or cleaner circuits. The coarseAIR itself can be used in other commodities like industrial minerals that liberate at a coarse grind size, allowing our customers to produce very coarse particles. For example, in something like graphite, where coarse graphite material is more valuable than ultrafines, and so you are now able to produce a very coarse product that's high grade with the coarseAIR. The coarseAIR and RFC technologies really afford our customer base to really look at flow sheet design and operating philosophy in terms of the total circuit in processing. coarseAIR allows for improved dewatering of materials, so our water recoveries are dramatically improved, reducing water loss, which then help us to get away from inefficient water use. The RFC in conjunction with the coarseAIR is an efficient processing solution which really maximizes the recovery from your ore body. And we see that this really helps our customers in areas where we are seeing depleting ore grades, and we're required to do higher throughput to achieve the metal unit production. Because the RFC allows us to improve recovery, we are no longer wasting the ore body and really using it to its maximum potential, and thereby optimizing all the inputs in terms of energy and water. And really these technologies combined help our customers to work towards this zero energy or zero emission kind of approach.